Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. So in this video, let's discuss about Tata Motors. We will look at the uptrend that is taking place in Tata Motors. So from last couple of weeks, Tata Motors stock prices are receiving a lot of spotlight. If you look at any major news channels, many people are discussing about this particular stock. So let us take a look at these stock prices from a price action perspective. So Tata Motors is on an impressive uptrend since from March 2020. It has rallied all the way from 70 rupees to 300 rupees, and you can see this particular uptrend clearly on one-day chart. Throughout the uptrend, short sellers failed multiple times against the trend. So many people who tried to trade against the trend and people who are bearish on Tata Motors, they failed multiple times. And right now, there are two factors you need to consider. So one thing is, the volume has peaked out in Tata Motors. What do I mean by this? Well, the current trading volume of Tata Motors, it's trading 3 or 4 times above the average volume, and it is a sign of caution. The second important point or the second important factor is that we are seeing some aggressive buying activity, and this aggressive buying activity is taking place after an extended uptrend. So this type of aggressive buying activity could be an indication of overbought market behavior. The peak volume and aggressive buying activity, these two factors could mean the stock prices might correct in coming days. So to clarify our outlook, let us take a look at the price action of Tata Motors. So here is a one-day chart of Tata Motors, and if you look at the chart, you can see a clear-cut uptrend. So this particular uptrend, it started right after the COVID-19 crash, that is on March 2020. So the starting point of the uptrend was 70 rupees. And as you can notice the stock prices, within a period of less than a year, the stock prices have rallied all the way from 70 rupees to 300 rupees. It's a very strong uptrend, but I think this uptrend is somehow done for now. Or maybe in the next couple of weeks, we may see some correction in Tata Motors. So the major reason is, right now we can see a peak volume. So as you can see, the Tata Motors volume is trading above the normal average. It's trading 3 or 4 times above the average volume. So you can see a huge increase in the trading volume over here. And if you compare this relatively with the previous volume, you can notice that the maximum volume which we have seen in the past couple of months or past couple of years was somewhere around 200 million. And right now, from the last couple of days, the trading volume reached somewhere around 300 to 400 millions. And apart from that, we can also see some aggressive buying activity on the stock. So this aggressive buying activity, that is from this point to this point, if you look at all these candles, right? If you look at the size of these candles, they are all very large. So this aggressive buying activity is taking place right after an extended uptrend. So these two potential factors could actually mean the stock prices might correct in coming days. So also if you notice this particular chart, multiple times sellers tried to trade against the trend, right? Multiple attempts were made by bears to stop this particular uptrend, but every time they tried to stop this uptrend, they actually failed, right? Sometimes they even got trapped by the market behavior. So even though right now it's a potential spot for sellers to get into the market, even though right now it's a potential opportunity for bears to take control over the stock prices, most of them will be a little bit skeptical because previously when they tried to sell within the trend, they got failed and they got trapped. So right now they will be extra cautious to take a short trade. But this doesn't mean the stock prices will continue to rally further. This could also mean some of the smart traders or some of the big players who are already riding the trend, they may try to distribute their holdings at this point. So let us look at why. Let us look at some of the key points on this particular stock. So first of all, when you see aggressive buying activity with peak volume, that could be a sign of uninformed market traders, like general public buying the stock. And most of the time, whenever the general public is buying the stock, smart traders and big players, they will try to distribute their holdings, they will try to liquidate their positions, or they will try to square off their positions. So the worst time to buy a stock is when the general public is buying the stock. Even though we are seeing a huge volume and aggressive buying activity, it's precisely because of these uninformed market traders. And this one reason is sufficient for us to rethink our decision to buy this particular stock. It may go up from a short-term perspective. From an intraday point of view, the stock prices might continue to climb. If it has some more momentum or force left within the trend, it may continue to climb up even further. But it's definitely not a good spot to buy the stock, especially if you are a swing trader or a positional trader. And also if you are considering to buy the stock, the risk reward is also not so good. So the stock prices are already at peak level, right? So if you buy the stock, you have less upside and more downside, which is actually another issue to consider. So based on all these factors, I'm taking a downward bias in the stock. So I am actually 75% bearish on Tata Motors and only 25% bullish. So from my perspective, I believe there is a 75% chance the stock prices might correct, and only 25% chance the stock prices might continue to climb up. So this whole analysis, which is based on one-day chart, this is from a positional trading point of view over the period of 3 weeks to 1 month. And definitely this whole analysis is not from an intraday or short-term perspective. So maybe on an intraday and short-term perspective, the stock prices might continue to climb. But if you consider the period of 3 weeks to 1 month, which is important for swing traders and positional traders, the stock prices might correct a little bit. And I'm not predicting a major correction, even though there is a possibility, but I'm predicting some kind of a minor correction. But predictions does not work very well in stock market. So if you are an experienced trader, if you are a professional trader who's trading the market from last couple of years, you will understand the predictions can wrong, and the market might defy all the outlook. So that is the reason why. So I'm 75% bearish, and I still believe there is a 24% chance the stock prices might continue to climb. So any questions or any feedbacks on this particular outlook? Let me know what you think about this analysis. Leave it in the comments here. And also, if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe for more insightful market updates. And to learn price action trading strategies and high probability techniques, you can browse through www.tradingcoach.co.in. So in that website, I have written a lot of informative contents and informative articles. So please go through them. You'll find it very helpful in your analysis. And last but not least, by any chance, use this outlook as a guide to do your own analysis. So thanks a lot for your time. Happy trading.